Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 says the blueprint for a new dog park playground shows every inch to represent 3.5 feet in the actual park. If one side of the park measures 33.25 feet, how many inches will this be on the blueprint? And so this is a question where I have a scale drawing because I know it's a blueprint. And so that's going to lead me to a proportion. I know that every inch represents 3.5 feet in the actual park. And I know I want to know how many inches will be on the blueprint if it's 33.25 feet in the actual park. So I can set up my proportion as saying 1 inch represents 3.5 feet in the actual park. And on the right side, I'm going to want inches compared to feet. I have the actual measurement of 33.25 feet in the park, and so I'm going to look for how many inches will that be on the blueprint. So I could multiply both sides by the least common denominator, or I can use cross multiplication. 3.5 times x is 3.5x, and 1 times 33.25 is 33.25. So that's just a shortcut to eliminate the fractions. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3.5 in order to make the coefficient 1. 3.5 divided by 3.5 is 1x, and 33.25 divided by 3.5 is 9.5, or 9.5 inches on the diagram. Now, because they use 1 inch to represent every 3.5 feet in the park, specifically because it's 1 inch, we can get to this answer quicker just by taking the 33.25, and since it's 1 inch per 3.5 feet, I would just have to divide that by 3.5. So I don't necessarily need a proportion in this question, but that's just due to the fact that it's 1 inch on the blueprint itself. Either way, I'm still going to get the answer of 9.5 inches on the blueprint.